Winning trades is not a straight jacket thing. Sometimes you can make some losses, sometimes you can win, but what is required from you is not to give up. You can check my history. I lost almost $53, and then I decided to deposit $116, and some of the money was destroyed, but along the way I found an opportunity, and then I entered. You can see this blue flag. I think those who always make profit, they know that this is profit. Who is speaking right now? It's your guy Iron Man from Iron Man Forex. So guys, that's it. These are synthetic indices, and today is Saturday. You can trade 24/7, 365 days a year. There's no holiday, there's no weekend. So let me show you now. You can see, let me go to the, my profit is $40 now. It needs someone who is always in perseverance mode. So out of the negative 53 that I have so far, I'm going to retain this $42, and I'm going to return it back from the broker, and I'm going to fight back until I reach my $116 that I deposited. So if you were me, you were supposed to give up. So I'm not going to give up. I'm going to give the fight, and then after reaching this 116, I'm not going to end there. I will keep on trading and make a lot of cash from these trades. I mastered these things for quite a long time. Greediness is the one which caused these losses that you are seeing here. Yes, we always make profit, but today I lost, but I'm now in the rightful path. This is real account. For those who know trading, they can know that if you see this icon, there are certain features which are written there. Let me click it. You can see there's balance, deposit and withdraw, meaning to say this is not demo account, and this is live trading. As you can see, everything is moving there, and I am live now at 2:10 on Saturday, the 29th of March 2025. So those who want to trade like me, those who want to trade on this platform, please sign up using the link in the description section below this video. Simply click more, and then click the link, open your demo account, verify your email, and then follow the steps which are there. Where you are supposed to go after logging in, click the three lines at the top right left corner, look for Traders Hub, and then choose the real tag in the box. After that, click CFDS, and then click get to the right side of standard account or zero spread or any form of Mt5 account which is there, and then you choose your broker, sometimes St Vincent, and then after that you are asked to make a strong password, and then you create your Mt5. Deposit using the payment agents. You can deposit using various forms of payments like crypto, stick pay, airtime, Perfect Man, Skrill, Netla, Litecoin, payment agents, and so many other methods which are available there. They are also available for you to trade, to deposit and make your withdrawals. This is Iron Man from Iron Man Forex. Let us make man together. Thank you very much, guys. Sign up now, create your account, and start trading. We'll be happy to see you. If you have any challenges, you can ask me, and then we can help each other. Goodbye, good time.